You couldn't ask for better weather today. The water was clean and calm, the wind was low, and the sun was shining, which should make it a good day for filming. Today I decided to stick close to the shoreline to see what I could find. After a few minutes, I noticed a pair of harbor seals meandering along the coastline. Unlike some other seal species, harbor seals are generally solitary animals. While it's common to see hundreds of sea lions in giant groups here in California, so far I've only seen harbor seals swimming alone or with a single friend. Although they don't gather in large groups, they are the most widely distributed species of seal in the world and can be found as far away as the Arctic. They can hold their breath for as long as 30 minutes, but luckily these two would come up for air fairly often. I followed them for a while until, much to my surprise, they swam into a silty area near the shore and right over a large school of leopard sharks. Wow, thanks for showing me where they live. I had never noticed these small sharks before because they blend in so well and you need to be fairly close to see them. Leopard sharks are named for their striking pattern of dark spots against a silver body, which helps camouflage them in their coastal habitat. This makes sense since they prefer to live in shallow kelp forests or muddy areas near the shoreline, which is where this school was hiding. As you can see here, they are very social creatures and can often be found in large schools. Their habitat covers pretty much the entire west coast of North America. Unlike many species of sharks, leopard sharks are not aggressive towards humans at all, which is good since they can be quite common near beaches where people swim. They can get as big as 5 feet long, although the ones I found today seem to be a little smaller. It's mesmerizing to watch them float in and out of the silty clouds near the shoreline. They were challenging to film because they tend to be shy and like to remain hidden, although I did notice a few larger ones ranging up the beach on their own. After a few hours of watching these sharks, I drove a few miles up the beach and encountered a pod of bottlenose dolphins swimming through the kelp. Bottlenose dolphins are generally larger and more robust than common dolphins. They tend to live in smaller pods, typically consisting of a few dozen individuals. Common dolphins, on the other hand, are known for forming much larger pods, sometimes numbering in the hundreds or even thousands. The water was so clear. It was a real joy watching them glide through the kelp. You never know what you might find in the water here, but it's always fascinating and beautiful. Thank you, California, for another great day.